This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds for a sneak peek at the 2024 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show. I am at the Florida State Fairgrounds one day before the official opening to give you an exclusive sneak peek as the RVs are being set up and polished to perfection. If you're considering an RV or interested in the RV lifestyle, this show is one of the best places to find exactly what you're looking for. A multi-dealer show means you're not just visiting a single dealership with limited options. Here you'll find models from 8 local dealers all in one spot. That means instead of driving from dealership to dealership, you can experience a huge range of choices and floor plans right here. This show is your opportunity to check out an incredible variety of RVs. From spacious Class A motorhomes designed with ultimate luxury in mind, to the family-friendly Class Cs and even larger Super Cs, each offering unique layouts and comforts for families, couples, or solo adventurers. Looking for something smaller? We have Class B camper vans on display too. These compact maneuverable options are perfect for those who want flexibility and ease on the road without sacrificing comfort. But it's not just motorized RVs. The lineup includes stunning fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers with spacious floor plans designed for camping enthusiasts who like to bring their gear and outdoor toys along. But it's not just about the RVs. There are plenty of vendor booths with all the newest camping accessories, gear, and RV essentials. Here you'll find great additions to enhance your RV life. One of the best parts of attending a multi-dealer RV show like this one is the chance to compare models side by side. Whether you're new to RVing or a seasoned camper looking to upgrade, seeing all these options together makes it so much easier to decide what feels right for you. Beyond just browsing, this show gives you the chance to meet local experts who really know these vehicles. You can ask questions, learn about each RV's features, and get insider tips on choosing the perfect RV for your lifestyle. If you've been dreaming about hitting the open road or taking that family trip, now's the time to explore the possibilities. Join us here at the Tampa Bay Fall RV Show, talk to knowledgeable staff from 8 local dealerships, and get a feel for the latest and greatest of RV innovation. We hope to see you here at the Florida State Fairgrounds for an unforgettable experience. Doors open tomorrow, and with so many RVs in one location, there's no better place to find your next adventure companion. The 2024 Tampa Bay Fall RV Show is being held November 7th through 10th at the Florida State Fairgrounds. The gates are open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thursday through Saturday and Sunday from 9 to 4. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.